It's just another day in the life of your two favorite superheroes, Bratman Black and
Weapon Misfire.
Yeah. Here to hit you with pure hotness. Issue number 1. Hit me number 1. Meet Michael Hope, a grieving billionaire with more brains than Asian of nerds at the science fair. Determined to save his ailing brother, he dresses headfirst into a zany quest that unveils a wild conspiracy tangled in a high-tech deception as he whips up his first batch of T-spheres. Think of these as large high-tech anal balls with crime-fighting twist. Yes, Michael starts channeling his inner superhero to keep the streets safe, and yes, he's dripped out for that Dick Dastardly deed. Number 2, please. Issue number 2. Michael isn't just chasing the shadows, he's hot on the cheeks of the Brotherhood of I. Those sneaky things with the stinky finger for world domination, along with the way he bumps into other New Jack rookies, heroes like a family reunion of weirdos. They form a alliance of faster than a crew of crackheads cleaning windshields at the intersection stop sign. Number 3. Issue number 3. Enter Dr. Fate with sorcerers whose magic is so powerful that Dr. Strange was hating on him and he called him a punk-ass bastard. Dr. Fate is Michael's mentor, guiding him through the wild, uncharted waters of the Brotherhood's dark secrets and the mystical mumbo-jumbo that's said to have been produced in the silence of the Silicon Valley. Wink, wink, if you know what I mean. Together they discover that this isn't just high-tech, it's downright P. Diddy baby oil magical. Oh yeah, give me number 4. Yeah. So, Mr. Terrific here, he teams up with the fierce and the fabulous baddie Vixen, a.k.a. Mary McCabe. That rivalry turns into who can outsmart whom game as they crack teams, brotherhoods, antics, will their powers locked in and combined. It's a showdown where tech meets the animal kingdom. Watch out now. Vixen's there about to drop a checkmate on your shenanigans. Give me number 5. Yeah. That's it. In issue number 5, these souls hit the fever with Mr. Terrific faces off against the Brotherhood of the Eye in the epic showdown with his squad of newly released heroes. They say that they tackle the tech fairy trends on the bringing of the action that's creepier than the Big Mama's house and the fried chicken tasting so good. Explosive. The groundwork that the chaos comes to his journey as Mr. Terrific Fair Play. Oh, well, number 6 ain't out yet, but in this issue, currently, we are going to give you the lowdown and the hoedown on it anyway. So, see, the grand finale comes as Mr. Terrific Mindful Host calls in the big guns and their colleagues as the Hot Industries to announce successor into the Jamal Mason, strutting in with all the confidence of a man who thinks he won the lottery. Yeah. But what? Anyway, having him confront Jamal, determining that back at the KFC stuff, give me those T-sphere balls about to get messy and messy. Yeah, you know what I mean. Even the fall of the, what you might call messy, Mr. Terrific, but picture getting smoked out by some T-spheres, high-tech anal balls. Yeah, Mr. Terrific sandwich breaking it off. Good old boot and his booty. Oh yeah, Mr. Terrific. So now you know that Mr. Terrific, year 1, issue 1 through 6. Now that you know. That is Bratman Black and
Weapon Misfire.
My favorite sidekick, Weapon Misfire and Bratman Black. We are in here to win it. Oh yeah.